Recording. Hello everybody. Here's another project. Practically what we do, we use a cellular phone or a smartphone to control the RGB LED via web. So what we do here, let's see how we're going to change the color. See, that's blue. Okay, that's red. Okay, and this is done via coding. All you have to do once you download the code and make sure that you got all the library. There is quite a lot of library that you will have to download. I will put an explanation on the web with the code and a schematic with fritzing. But it's very important that you upload the libraries, otherwise it won't work. I will specify the library that I have used for this project. It's quite an intensive project. Sometimes can work, sometimes you might have problem with your IDE, Arduino IDE. Okay, so all you need to do is also put your username and password on this section here, which is very important. There, you see your SSID in here and your username, your password. Okay, then when you go down here, you got to print your ID, your IP addresses. Okay, so I put print to your local IP addresses here somewhere. Okay, so and you know, as you can see here, if I reset it, that will have the IP addresses. So yeah, okay, I think we've done everything. And I just want to save HTML. Okay, IP addresses, yes, serial print, Wi-Fi, local IP addresses. These IP addresses, you got to put it into your cellular phone to access the slider to control the RGB colors. Okay, guys, have a great day, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.